Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir using kefir grains, step by step. First, you'll need your kefir grains, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and a clean glass jar. Next, add about 3 to 4 cups of fresh milk to the jar. Whole milk is often recommended for a richer kefir, but you can use other types too. Gently stir the mixture, then cover the jar loosely with a lid or a breathable cloth. Now, let the magic happen. Place your covered jar at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 12 to 24 hours. You'll notice the milk starting to thicken and develop a distinct, slightly tangy aroma. The exact fermentation time depends on your room temperature and the activity of your grains. A longer fermentation will result in a tangier, thicker kefir. Once your kefir has reached the desired consistency, it's time to separate the grains. Pour the fermented mixture through a non-metal sieve into a clean bowl. Gently shake or stir the sieve to help the thick kefir pass through, leaving the grains behind. These precious grains are now ready to be used for your next batch, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh, homemade kefir. Your fresh, homemade kefir is now ready to enjoy. You can store it in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days. Remember to start a new batch with your separated grains as soon as possible. If you need a break, you can store the grains in milk in the fridge for up to 1 week. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Happy fermenting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.